Hey guys, welcome back to another video and welcome to the YouTube Cash Cow Niche Blueprint series, where I'm going to be teaching you guys step by step how you can jumpstart your YouTube Cash Cow channels from scratch with tons of examples and strategies to get real and tangible results. Let me be honest with you, the niche we're going to look at today is super saturated and packed with all sorts of content, but that's specifically the reason why this niche is so lucrative and is a gold mine that's sitting there waiting to be found. So without further ado, let's dive right into the video. So the niche we're looking at today is the health niche, and this includes all health and wellness related content. So for this video, we're going to study two channels, and both examples I'm going to show you how they're completely untapped and organic channels. And what I mean by that is that they're in no way boosted, and these are not channels that have 1 million subscribers or even 100,000 subscribers. So essentially there's nothing special about them, and if you follow the simple steps I'll tell you in the video, you can create way better channels with way better videos and earn much more than they are right now. An interesting thing about this niche that I know will definitely excite you guys is that it has a CPM of about $4 to $6, which I assure you is really quite high. But before we move ahead, I want to mention to you the 3 golden points that I need you to remember in order to dominate the health niche. The first one is consistency, and this is between uploading videos, researching, learning, and most importantly, testing. Remember, everyone is hot off the start, and those who succeed are the ones who push past hardships, who don't stop growing, and they don't take no for an answer. The second point that I want to talk about is replicating channels and replicating what other people are doing that's working. So I can promise you that the best way to grow when you're starting off on YouTube is just to do what other people are doing and just try and do it better. If you see a video on an important or relevant topic, go out there and remake it with better value, better production, and better results, So finally, the third point is writing out the trends. Similar to my last point, just try and find trends that are becoming popular and make videos on them right away. Google and YouTube are all about search and SEO, so if you make a video around a topic that's popping off and have some real value or just something worth watching, you will be promoted and pushed into the algorithm so much faster than if you just post any random video. Ace these 3 points and I promise you'll dominate this niche in no time. So the first channel we're going to look into is Natural Health Cure. This channel uploads almost 1 video every week, and as you can see, the videos have really short times, which makes them really easy to consume. And also the kind of videos that are very easy to make. You essentially just take some stock free videos, stick them together, add some engaging text, energetic music, and then a commentary to finish it all up. Also, if we look at the views that this channel is getting, it doesn't seem like much, but if we hop onto Social Blade and look at their stats, we can see that they're approximately earning between $3,000 to $4,000 a month, which is insane considering the quality of videos they have. So how does this channel really do it? Well, it comes down to the power of stacking videos and building up your online real estate. So to get noticed in the health niche, all you have to do is look for the top channels and create the videos that got them the most views. And you can do this by looking at their most popular videos from here, and you can simply do it and recreate them right away. Don't be surprised if your first 10 or 20 videos don't do too well. You just have to focus on stacking these videos up, and eventually the YouTube algorithm will pick up on your videos, and the views that video will get alone will be worth all the effort that you put in. We can see this trend even with this channel. I mean, they generate most of the revenue from just a couple of the videos that went viral, and this is where the true power of stacking comes to play. So analyze how they made their video, add real effort and more value, and recreate them as your own. Then just rinse and repeat. Now we're gonna have a look at another channel, but before we do, let me tell you there are multiple niches that you can choose from, but the health niche is something that's never going to die. You can trust me on this. And I mean, if you don't believe me, you can always check Google Trends yourself to verify it. But anyway, have a look here. This channel is called How to Cure and it has been inactive for more than 6 months, but this still earns around $600 to $800 every single month without uploading a single video. This is what this niche is all about. You just have to build a channel with a ton of quality videos and be patient until one of them hits and blows up. So anyway, now we have a basic idea of how you can build a channel in this niche, but what about optimizing your channel for success? Well, there are a few things that you need to apply, and the first and foremost thing I would advise is your thumbnail. And Natural Cure has one of the best channels where you can learn from in terms of their success with their thumbnail structure, the text, and the placements. Your thumbnail has to be on point, as it is the first thing that people see when they're scrolling on their feed. Once you get that down, the next thing you can do is copy the meta tags, which are the tags in the descriptions from the bigger channels. make it your own and make it unique. And then you can upload it on your channel and your videos while trying to keep everything as similar as possible so YouTube can properly rank your videos and push them out more often. The last thing you can do is optimize your channel and try to niche down even further. So once you've made about 10 to 20 videos, you just have to check on which videos are doing the most and getting the most attention, and then double down on it. So for example, if you made a video about hair loss and then one about digestion, if the one with hair loss got a ton more views, then all you have to do is just keep making more videos about hair loss, and YouTube will literally continuously promote your videos for you. It sounds too good to be true, but you're just gonna have to try it for yourself and see how it works. I'm really sorry if I burdened you guys with too much information all at once, but trust me, there are just a few more points to go, and if you follow this blueprint step by step, your success in the health niche is practically inevitable. So like I said at the start of the video, the health and wellness niche is very saturated, and all the content you can think of making is already made. So how do you stand out, or rather, how do you actually profit from this? Well, the most efficient way to stand out is to make your channel look as professional as possible, and this is done by using the right footage, artwork, and music. Always remember your target audience when it comes to making health videos, so just know that your primary target is probably going to be people in the age groups of 30 to 60 years old. And when it comes to benefiting from such a saturated niche, it just comes down to replicating content that's already been proven to work by putting the same thumbnail with a twist and just making better content, better than the one that's currently out there, and that's pretty much it. So for example, if you type on YouTube, why should you keep garlic under your pillow? You will see all the big channels that have gotten tons of views from this video, but that doesn't mean that the video doesn't work and it won't actually get you views. So as I scroll down, you can see your channels with low sub counts are profiting from the same recreation method that I literally just explained to you. So keep this in mind, but I'm gonna end with one last YouTube secret for you. A lot of people complain about how competitive and saturated YouTube is getting, but what you guys need to realize is that competition can actually help you more than you realize it. If someone's video blows up and gets 1 million plus views, and you happen to make a video that's similar to that one, you very well might end up in the recommendations tab, and that means you'll immediately get 1 million chances to have your video viewed. So if your thumbnail, your title, and your tags are on point, the success of another channel that just blew up might have actually brought you a part-time income. Moral of the story is, don't underestimate YouTube and never think it's out to get you because you don't have views. Treat it like the business that it is and follow the rules, and I promise you can have all the success that you keep seeing that YouTube brings. So I'm sure without a doubt that this video has made you ready to open your own channel in the health niche and dominate the space. So go out there, learn, test, and have fun with it. If you guys have any questions or want to connect with me at any point, please feel free to join my Discord group. I'll leave it in the description. Also, make sure to download my free YouTube tricks and tips book that I recently created. So you guys already know, if you made it to the end, you guys are legends and MVPs. I really appreciate you guys so much, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out.